I'm Jennifer and I'm super excited you're here for my video today. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I have cleared my kitchen counters and I'm super excited to get ready putting my hot chocolate bar together. I always like to start with the base, and now I put down this wooden cutting board, and this is where I'm going to set up my hot chocolate bar. I'm going with a red, white, and green theme, and this will really help conceal the outlet cover behind it. A second little Christmas planter will really help give some more color to this space. In the center, I'll add this peppermint tree in red and white. This candy stripe bowl will be the perfect place for me to put my packets of hot chocolate. My marshmallows will be perfect in this little jar with a curly ribbon on top. We'll definitely need some Christmas mugs. And let's not forget our hot chocolate sign. In just a couple of minutes, we were able to put together a wonderful hot chocolate station ready for the holiday season. And now I'm all set for the holidays. It's time to sit down and watch some Christmas movies. I'm going to get busy putting my hot cocoa bar together. I always like to start with the base. I'm using this round tray with a scalloped edge. I'm keeping this hot cocoa bar really simple. I love to add something tall in the back to cover the electrical plate. Next, I'll add this hot chocolate bar sign. I have a little command hook up underneath where no one can see it. I put my marshmallows in a jar, as well as the hot chocolate. I have this super cute little marshmallow sign and a little hot cocoa sign. This little tree will go so nicely right in the back. And I have this adorable little teapot with some super cute little matching cups. And in no time at all, we put together our hot cocoa bar in neutral shades. It looks so nice and cozy for the holiday season. It'll be perfect to serve my friends and myself whenever we want a cup of hot chocolate. Thank you so much for being here. I had so much fun putting this video together and I appreciate you tremendously. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.